Hello and happy Sunday, fam. I'm back. Here in Miami, it's a kind of overcast day. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, but it's warm outside. So we're gonna go get some coffee and take Rudy to another dog beach. There's a coffee place we love to get coffee at, but there's only one up in Hollywood, Florida, which is right above Miami. It's kind of between Miami and Fort Lauderdale. So we're gonna go get coffee up there and take Rudy to the dog beach up in Hollywood. He hates it when the waves hit against the dock right here like this. Look at it. This is where we walk in front of our building and boats will go by and things in the water and send waves over here and splash up, and Rudy hates it. He has to check it all out and he cries. I don't know if you heard him crying. Anyways, we're gonna go get our coffee and go on to a dog beach that's an off-leash dog beach up in Hollywood. So, join. Delicious. This is the best iced coffee ever. Don't you think, Rudy? Off to the beach. Hi fam, the dog beach was fun. It's really still overcast and very windy today still. Very windy day today here on the Bay Harbor Islands. I'm looking for a chair for our balcony. I have like the table and chairs for eating on, but I don't have like a lounge. I want like a lounge chair or something I can lay out on, kind of a thing. So we're gonna go to, there's a store here at home. It has like cheap home stuff, and we're gonna go see if I can find a chair. So that's where we're headed right now. TJ's vacuuming out the car because Rudy got it very sandy earlier. And then we'll hit the road. So I think I found the perfect chair. I found a lounge chair and a matching cushion. The chairs I already have at home are black table and chairs and with gray cushions, and so I thought that this would match. I think that's the one. Let's go home and put it up. So this is what you do when you are in a car and have no room for a giant chair you just bought. So we're gonna drive home. Let's see if we can make it. We're almost there. We're about halfway. It's hanging out the back. We made it back, shockingly, driving like that. It was only a few minutes away. We got the chair and we're gonna go put it together, and I'll show you how the deck looks once I've got it all set up. So we've got the chair all set up on the balcony. And look who took over already. Hello, sir. You think we bought this for you? This was from like Walmart when we moved here. I ordered it online, the black with the gray cushions, and we got this at home today, and it literally matches perfectly, like it came from the same line or something. But now it has the lounge chair over here in the corner, and the eating chair over here. And it all fits pretty perfectly. So now I can lay back here and just relax, you know what I'm saying? If my dog would get out of my chair. Rudy, can you give me some leg room? That was an adventure. Thanks for following along. Thanks for watching the chair saga this afternoon. But we've made it safely back, and here we are. Say bye, Rudy. Say bye. Bonus footage. Okay, so it's the next day, and it's Rudy's birthday today, which I had almost forgotten about. And we went out shopping today. We stopped by a little dog bakery on the way home and got this little birthday cake. Is that not the cutest thing? Came with a candle, so we'll light the candle. Okay, Rudy, light your candle. Blow it. Happy birthday. Okay, he burned his nose. Okay, piece of cake. Good boy. Good boy. I would say this is safe for all animals. Daisy, do you want a slice of Rudy's birthday cake? There you go. Birthday party. Rudy, happy birthday. Say thanks for watching my birthday cake.